Hey, everyone loves to travel. But don't know how to travel within a low budget? Let's know. The best cheapest way to book a hotel room is by comparing rates among other top 10 hotel booking sites. The second is applying coupon codes at the time of confirmation. The third is booking hotel rooms online and in advance. Wait. These are not easy processes at all. You have to follow the best ways to get cheap hotel rooms. You can also save money on hotel booking sites by being flexible with your dates and using rewards points. Be sure to check the hotel's cancellation policy before booking. If you rent for a longer period, you often get a discount on your monthly rent. Normally, weekdays are cheaper than weekends. Tuesday and Wednesday are the cheapest days to book a hotel room by paying less. The cheapest way to book a hotel room can save your pocket a lot. Go to globalhotelfinder.com and learn more to save a lot and surprisingly low rates. Link is mentioned in the description or comment box.